What's up, everybody? Back again with another video. This video is going to be about properly fitting these filler panels. This could be for Ford, Chevys, any of these makes and models that have these pot metal or aluminum housings right here. This side's already done, so I can kind of show you what it's going to look like. Then I'll show you the process on how to get through it. First of all, everything's got to be sanded down properly for proper mechanical adhesion of the body filler to the panel. After everything's scuffed and sanded, then I'll kind of like put it together, line it up as best as you can on all the areas at the top, the sides, and kind of split the difference. That way you don't have too much on one side and not enough on the other side. Then after you got all of that done and sanded and scuffed, then I'll come back, take a wax and grease remover, remove any dust, dirt, particles on there. After that, then you can use a water-based cleaner too, if you like, if there's no bare metal. But some of the water-based cleaners have water in them, or they're cut with water, depending on your vendor. Just to get it all clean so there's no dust, for your body filler to have a nice clean surface to stick to. After that, next step would be I get some dental floss, and you kind of want the one that doesn't have any wax on it or flavoring. You don't want that stuff to transfer. Some of them are a little stringy, some of them are round, some of them are, I think, glide is more of a flat type. You could try different ones, but this one I use, this is a Colgate. And this one's more of a round, try to get the focus here, a round type of floss. Now I take the floss, get a piece of tape. You can get a piece of masking tape if you like. Take the masking tape, put it over the ends of it. It's easy to hold and grab it quick when you go to pull the floss. Basically, you can take this dental floss and you'll lay it into the line all the way down, and it gives you a nice, this one tucks in there because I've already done this side. And then after you spread your filler on here all the way down, or putty, whatever you're using, and you grab that piece of tape that's on the end of it, and you just make sure you don't pull it out at an angle this way or an angle this way. You have to pull it directly straight out all the way around, and you have to do it before it starts locking up. If you do it when it starts locking up, it's going to rip chunks out and it's going to look terrible, and you're going to have to redo it. So I'm trying to do this with one hand, but just to show you, how that's going to be. And then you can see this side, how nice it already looks. I'll show you on the driver's side here. This side I've only sanded down. I've done most of the body work on the fender already. But you can see these factory gaps up close. They got like bevels on the edges, and they're just really, really irregular. You can see up in here how this is kind of stepped back a little bit. So this will just give you a nice, clean, uniform fit. This one I had to put a clamp on here because it was, I don't have all the parts on the front end of this car, so this gap was kind of big right here. You can do this on the Mopars as well. The Mopars had, like on the, I think it's the B bodies, roadrunners, GTX, they all have these same panels, but on the quarter panels, and you can do the same exact thing with those to do your body work, to get those fine-tuned. And It makes a world of difference. Now you don't want to build these edges up. These are already tightened down on here, but you don't want to build these edges up out of filler and then go tighten them on there, because then it's gonna crack after you paint it and you go to put it together. It's gonna be a nightmare for you. So you always make sure everything doesn't have any filler on the edges of anything. We're just using to fix the corner edges of these for a better fit. So I don't want to keep rambling on about this, but just kind of want a little bodywork tip and trick for the day. Maybe it helps somebody out on their restoration project. So stay tuned in the next video. Hit that like button, share this video, subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you on the next one.